So today I found out that ServiceNow has released this new ServiceNow client for Python, PySNC, and it it is built over API, table APIs. So it can do all the CRUD operations like create, read, and delete, and all, and I wanted to use that to do data visualization and some interactive like calling with agent and all. So let's just and also wanted to use a text to speech model, which is without any GPU. You can run it anywhere. It is very small. So let's dive in. So first, the ServiceNow Python client. For that, you have to just import it from this, and to connect it with your PDI or any instance, you have to follow. Means you can use either like basic auth, or you can use password grant. I let me show you. So I used a basic auth. This is my PDI and admin, and then this is the password. Password I've stored over here in the key, and I'm just calling over here. Okay, and once you have the and one thing you'll notice that it is very similar to GlideRecord. So like client.GlideRecord, then I'm limiting it to 30, 40, whatever, and then querying, and then you can get all the information as you can see over here. So it is very similar to GlideRecord, and it can do all the operations that GlideRecord does. So there are limitations as well. I will add the documentation in the notebook. This notebook I will share so that you can run it and connect with your instance very quickly. Now, and it is quite fast as well. So if you know what you are looking for, you can simply like do the 20. See, it is getting all this information from the instance, but it is very fast. And why I wanted to do this without means with like API, you have to call and get response, then parse. It is doing and converting it into data frame immediately in 2 steps. And once you have the means data in a data frame, then it becomes very easy for visualization or any type of data analysis. So these are bunch of libraries that I have to install. So you can ignore these part. But if I'll go to the visualization, so I wanted to show you. So you see, these are very like basic visualization, but it is very fast. And see how many. I mean, this is priority distribution, category distribution, and impact urgency. You can do all those things very quickly. And if I'll go to now to the agent part. So what I've done, I've used LangChain agent to talk to the data. So to do that, I've already added. You will need, if you want to do this functionality, you will need OpenAI key. So if you have that, just add it over there, and then chat with your data. So hold on a second. So data frame contains 20 rows, and how many columns are there in the data set. So it will so basically what it is doing, this agent is running Python to get that information. So and it is checking what are the different column, some information related to the column, and like data set seems to be related to incident, request, IT support system, and all. And let's just run this one. So how many incidents has high priority? So there are 8 incidents with high priority, which is critical. So it was able to understand that. So it is running this query to get that information. And now the last part that I wanted to show was converting this information that we are getting into a speech. So from text to speech. And you will notice that while this operation is running, I'm not using any GPU or anything.
Question was how many incidents has high priority. Then LLM output is there are 8 incidents with high priority, 1 critical.
See how easy it was. And uh, I'm going to share this notebook. So if you want to like explore this ServiceNow client and do visualization or talk to your data with agent LangChain, you just have to add your keys over here, and this is the passwords, ServiceNow password, and this is the hugging face token, and this is OpenAI key, and then you will be able to run the whole code without any issue. Thank you.